Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronic, and today we have a mail delivery and I'm very curious what it is. I sort of know what it is, but I just want to show you guys and have this moment of unboxing, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, this time I'm gonna use my quite again well used CRKT Wasp. Very nice knife, I like it, it's very nice and pointy. Very well packaged, whatever it is. Very well packaged, so it deserves a sharp knife. It looks like not that sharp. Yeah, it's just plastic. What the hell is that? Looks like looks like someone recycled a lobster or something. Wow. What kind of goodness do we have here? Okay, Rocky Lobster, go away. Gone. Take a look at that. I'm gonna just... Alright, okay. So as you see, this is a lot of players or Walkmans. So let's take a look what we got here. So sample number one is a Sanyo, very dinky Walkman player. Okay. Number two is Iowa. That's looking nicer. Walkman. The next one is Sony. No, this is more sophisticated thingy. Looks like this is a recorder. Yep, it is recorder because it has a race head. Nice. Ooh, some kind of goop. I don't like this rattling sound, but at least. Alright, next one is Sony Walkman AM/FM. It's a bit broken. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Okay, we have two of the same kind. That's pretty cool. And the last one is... what the hell is this? Holy macannoli. Or holy cannoli. It's one of those sport Walkman. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Never actually... always was dreaming about this one. Oh, this is so... oh, this is made of metal. Well, at least this one. Not sure about that. Wow, it looks good. I guess it's waterproof or something like that. Cool, this is nice one. I like it. It's dirty, but it can be cleaned. Wow. It's big ass, but I like it. Wow, this is actually cool. And it's auto reverse. Nice. So guys, that's what we got here. We got 6 different Walkmans. All of them are Sony, except almost all of them are Sony, except this Sony one. This is probably the dinkiest out of them, because this is actually a pretty nice one. Not sure what's the operational state, probably all broken, but yeah, this support normal and metal tape, DX local, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Yeah, it doesn't have a Dolby B noise reduction, or Dolby noise reduction, looks like. Iowa is cool too. Mono stereo, it's FM mode, no big deal. Yeah, it doesn't have, it's not auto reverse, and this guy is, looks like auto reverse. So those three auto reverse. This one is the dinkiest one. Iowa is nice, but a simple one, and this is Sony recorder, which is cool. Anyways, we have 6 Walkmans. I'm gonna actually go over in a separate video one by one, and we take a look what are they, what's inside, and if they operate or not. Those 2 dudes gonna come at one batch and one package. So thank you guys for watching, hope that was interesting. It was interesting for me. I wanted to open this box for like a week. I was sitting in a quarantine, just to make sure there is no corona around here. So thank you guys for watching, see you next time. Stay tuned for another episode of Inside Out Electronics, when I'm gonna be taking those guys apart.